the Surgical Guru, and today I want to show you all how to put a toga on somebody else. A lot of people have this question as to how do you gown somebody else with a toga. So today I'm going to show you. So pretend like I'm already gowned, I'm gloved, I already scrubbed. Alright, I got scrubs on, and I'm running the sterile field, and somebody else is coming in, the doctor or the PA, or whoever it is that you're putting the toga on, coming into the room. Hey brother, how are you today?
Good evening, how are you?
I'm doing swell. Thanks, prodigy. So, we're going to hold this up, right? You let everything fall. All you need to hold on to is the shield. And have it, with this side facing them, because you know that's the side that you're going to hook them on. So I do this, then I grab the arms, pull the arms out, right? That way he can put his arms in. Alright. After he puts his arms in, I always try to curve the shield so it's like in the way that it would go on his helmet. So you put the tag on, then do the magnets, right? And the next thing you do is you grab hold of the bottom of the shield right there. That way his head doesn't go flying when you put this up. Then you put that up a little bit. That'll help your nurses so they don't have to reach over. That's it. That's how you put a toga on somebody else.